Hello everyone, my name is Ryan from TrueWatch. So today I would like to share how we can collect AWS metrics via Automata. So Automata or data flux function is an extended programming platform for TrueWatch. It is a script development, management, and execution platform based on Python. So basically this is the easiest way if you want to integrate your third-party services into TrueWatch. Now let's get to the demo. So here I have my AWS account with one EC2 server enabled with also the monitoring from the CloudWatch. So first of all, you will need to integrate your AWS account into the TrueWatch. You can go to integration, select the Cloud Accounts integration. Here you will go to the Add Cloud Account, select the AWS account, and then fill in the required information. There you go. Now you have your AWS account integrated to the TrueWatch. Okay, now to get the EC2 metrics to TrueWatch, you need to go to integration and you can select the extension. Okay, here I already have the data flux function enabled. You can just enter the console. Now we are in the data flux or Automata console. First, you need to go to the script market, because we already have a lot of templates for the scripts to integrate to TrueWatch. Just click enter and find your EC2 script here, EC2. Okay, here you can see that we have integration to AWS EC2. Just click install here. Then again fill in the required information. Okay, to verify you can go to the startup script and then see this is the script that used to connect your EC2 to the TrueWatch. Yeah, to verify this on the console, you can go back to the console, go to the metrics analysis, then you will see the EC2 metrics here. Yeah, if you filter it by the, let's say, instance name, yeah, you will see that my demo server EC2 is already inside the TrueWatch. Here, yeah, demo server, and this is the demo server, my metrics for the demo server EC2. Then if you want to visualize it, you can go to the dashboard, create the dashboard. See that we have already a lot of templates for the dashboard. You can select for AWS. Yeah, AWS also have a lot of dashboard. You can just choose the EC2 monitor view. You click here. Yeah, there you go. You have templates for EC2 monitoring view. Here, you can see the metrics now is coming into the TrueWatch. You can filter by the account name if you have a lot of account, if you have multiple account, more than once, and you can also filter it by the instance name. Okay, that's it. Quick and easy way to get your AWS metrics into the TrueWatch. See you in another videos. Bye.